Silloth is a small seaside resort in North Cumbria, just south of Carlisle. It lies on the Solway Firth and there are extensive views across the Firth to Scotland, as you can see here. The population is around 3,000, although there are in addition tourists visiting here, particularly in the summer. Here I am having a pleasant walk along the seafront on a warm March day. This is Christ Church, completed in 1870 and designed by Carlisle architect John Ferguson in the Gothic style. You can also see the rest of the town in the background.